Hello everyone, this is a video for cs180 final project presentation. Our group is called Cyber Planets and we did a project on implicit surface. So we implement this project on the Shader Toy platform. Here is how this platform look like. You can see we can add a code right here. And the syntax of the code is very similar to C++. You can see the real result right here, and you can add textures here as channels. So what we did, this is the animation of our final result, and here's some highlights. The shading on the ball, we use the concept of blink phone shader taught in class for the ball and its turning, as well as its texture. We use the concept of rasterization, ray tracing, and texture. Also for the background, the mosaic effect, and the gradually changing effect, we use some idea of controlling colors. So let's get closer to our project and say some details. Here is our project and code. You can see there are two spheres in the middle, one in front of the other. There's a light source moving left and right above them. You can notice the shading on the ball is changing according to the location of the light. Also, when you click on the graph, the light will go where you click, and the shading will also change correspondingly. The two globes have different textures and they're uploaded as channels down here, and they are both turning left. In the background, we generate an effect of gradually changing blue to purple, and also in the middle we generate a random changing mosaic effect. So briefly, the structure is that we will check if a pixel is in the globe or in the background. If it is in the globe, then we will apply the blink shading to get the correct color of this pixel. The rotation of the globe is actually accomplished by rotate the texture on it. For the light movement, we use a function of sine time, so it can move left and right constantly. The trick to make the light visible is just to make the surrounding of this light's location brighter than the other pixel. For the background, we use a mix function to mix two color and a random function with sine I time to generate this mosaic effect. This is basically what we did in this project, and thank you for your watching.